If you could marry tranquility and urban access together, you'd arrive at Victoria Woods, an acre lot nestled within the forest enclave of North Raleigh. You are hard-pressed to find this custom home for this price. 2006 built, a first-floor master, a sunroom overlooking the wooded backdrop. These features only highlight the beginning of what this home could be for you. 4 bedrooms, plus a bonus, plus a theater room for the cinema lover. Truly all you need. Take some time to take in these surroundings, but yet remind yourself 540 is only a hop, skip, and jump away. It's an honor to present another Sandy Roberts listing.